English speaking practice daily use sentences English conversation practice beginner level 2. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What did you eat?
I had a sandwich.
What did you eat?
I had a sandwich.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I love it.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I love it.
Can you speak French?
Only a little bit.
Can you speak French?
Only a little bit.
What time is dinner?
It's at 7 o'clock.
What time is dinner?
It's at 7 o'clock.
Where did you go?
I went to the park.
Where did you go?
I went to the park.
How was your day?
It was very good.
How was your day?
It was very good.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
When is your birthday?
It's in December.
When is your birthday?
It's in December.
Can you play piano?
Yes, I can.
Can you play piano?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Star Wars.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Star Wars.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, very much.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, very much.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
How often do you travel?
Once a year.
How often do you travel?
Once a year.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
Can you cook dinner?
Yes, I can.
Can you cook dinner?
Yes, I can.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, it's fun.
What's your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter.
What's your favorite book?
I like Harry Potter.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I do.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I do.
Can you swim fast?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim fast?
Yes, I can.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you like reading?
Yes, very much.
Do you like reading?
Yes, very much.
Can you drive me?
Yes, no problem.
Can you drive me?
Yes, no problem.
What's your phone number?
It's 1234567.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
What did you buy?
I bought a book.
What did you buy?
I bought a book.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, very much.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, very much.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Do you have pets?
Yes, 2 dogs.
Do you have pets?
Yes, 2 dogs.
What's your email address?
It's john@example.com.
What's your email address?
It's john@example.com.
How old are you?
I am 25.
How old are you?
I am 25.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do.
Can you sing well?
Yes, a little.
Can you sing well?
Yes, a little.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, 1 brother.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, 1 brother.
Do you like art?
Yes, I do.
Do you like art?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I do.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I do.
What is your hobby?
I like drawing.
What is your hobby?
I like drawing.
Do you feel sick?
No, I'm fine.
Do you feel sick?
No, I'm fine.
What is your address?
It's 123 Main Street.
What is your address?
It's 123 Main Street.
Do you have kids?
No, I don't.
Do you have kids?
No, I don't.
Can you dance well?
Yes, I can.
Can you dance well?
Yes, I can.
What did you see?
I saw a movie.
What did you see?
I saw a movie.
Do you like to learn about history?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about history?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about science?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about science?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about technology?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about technology?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about nature?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about nature?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about animals?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about animals?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about space?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about space?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about cultures?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn about cultures?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to learn languages?
Yes, I do.